Good afternoon, folks. HiTech Upgrades here. I'm going to give you a little example of a typical home camera install using the Nest Cam IQ Outdoors. The Nest Cam IQ system is the best quality system available. It does give you face detection ability as well as zooming tracking system. Another nice thing that is somewhat often overlooked is the installation differences between this outdoor IQ camera and the standard outdoor camera. The standard outdoor camera has about a 1-inch diameter plug it's a USB plug on the end of the wire. The IQ has a much smaller diameter, about a quarter of an inch in diameter. So when it comes to drilling the holes through the outside of your home or your deck, etc., to get that camera installed, it ends up being a little bit easier and leaves less of a hole for critters or other things to get through, or water or moisture, etc. So here's an example of how we've installed one of those cameras in one of our clients' homes. I'm going to show you the inside setup first. This person happened to have an electrical panel inside the garage and a convenience outlet nearby. So the power cord is just simply plugged into the convenience outlet and some wire management there. Run that wire up the wall. In this case, it's an unfinished garage, so the aesthetics of the exposed wire was not a concern for us or for the client. The ceiling heights were such that the outside camera location is actually higher than the finished garage height. So we just ran that power cord a short distance through a pass-through plate. Another 12 inches beyond that is where the camera is installed. In this case, we wanted to get a good view of the driveway. The client often parks their car out on the street as well. So this is a multi-family home area, so you can see another driveway nearby. We've set this camera up just to capture this particular driveway and the sidewalk, and then also the vehicle out in the street and anybody that might be walking by. So you can see here, mounted up on the fascia board soffit is the actual camera. And this one gives us a nice view of the yard area, the driveway, any cars parked in the driveway, anybody that walks down the sidewalk in this area. Again, another advantage to Nest is that you can program those cameras for different motion detection zones, so that you can say, when somebody's at the car by the street, I want it to give me a motion alert, or when somebody's actually, say, breaching the sidewalk at the driveway, you can have that labeled as a different zone. So anyways, that's a quick demo of a typical installation of a nice Nest camera.